Fix in 5. P0511. Idle air control, IAC, valve circuit malfunction, engine idle unstable. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. Rough idle or unstable RPM at stop, engine stalling at traffic lights or in park, difficulty maintaining idle speed, hesitation when coming to a stop, RPM fluctuates between 300 to 800 revolutions per minute erratically. Now the most likely causes. IAC valve stuck or contaminated with carbon deposits. IAC valve wiring harness disconnected or corroded. IAC valve solenoid failure or electrical open circuit. Engine control module ECM, malfunction or software issue. Air intake leak downstream of IAC valve. What does it cost? Roughly 30 to 120 euros doing it yourself, or 90 to 180 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Clean throttle body and IAC valve thoroughly with carburetor or throttle body cleaner. Often resolves code if carbon is the cause. Replace IAC valve if testing confirms solenoid failure, stuck plunger, or motor malfunction. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0511? The cost to fix P0511 generally ranges from 80 euros to 500 euros, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Gets cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0511. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.